Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the communication preferences in the Breezer application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the green button at the top of the page on the right. And then click on the communication button. And as you can see, for this section, you can give a phone number that you can use and they can use to reach you. So just type in and then click on the Save Changes button. And it is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.